nagpautang na nga tayo, kaya naman ngayon is gagala na tayo. Yes, dahil may pamasahe na tayo para gala. Hala, kaso na yung 100. Kaso umuulan pa. Ayan o, pamasahe ko to. Wala kasi akong pamasahe pang gala. So, tara't samahan nyo ako gumala. Pero wait lang, umuulan pa kasi. Ang lakas ng ulan eh. So, ayan, malakas. So, ayan, malakas pa din yung ulan. Ayan. So, kakain lang naman kami sa labas ng anak ko. Kakain lang pala kami sa labas ng anak ko. Kasi nga, hindi ako kumakain ng pagkain dito sa bahay. Kasi nga, paghuhugasin lang ako. So, better, hindi na lang ako kakain dito. Sa labas na lang ako. Pwede naman sila maghugas sa labas. Charot lang. So, wait lang. Inaantay ko lang na tumila yung ulan. Then, after this, aalis na kami ng anak ko. So, nahihiya nga pala ako itaas tong camera na to kasi nga may ano ako, may audience ako. Baka mamaya sabihin nila na feeling artista ako. Nandito nga tayo sa labas. Chingo. Waiting. Dali. Kulam-kulam. Ah. Oh, diba? Kinausap tayo. Oh, go inside. Inside. Go. Wait lang. Hold it. So, ayan, sobrang ulan nga pala. Kaputik yung daanan dito sa amin. Look at why you're holding that.
Because it's remind me of gymnastics park. What? It reminds me of gymnastics park.
Oo.
I really want to.
Ayan, sobrang putik ngayon pag maulan dito. Yun yung mahirap maglakad. Ay na. Ilang ano na pala ulan ng ulan dito sa amin. Ilang months na. Simula May. Itong kaputik dito. Yung ano situation ngayon. Kasi ay, yung prutasan yung bibilhan later. So, ayan, ganyan. Oh my gosh, wait, we need to cross. I'm scared. Wait lang. Takot ako tumawid. Wait lang, we need to cross. First, we're going to buy your, ano. Hold me. Uy, I don't know. I don't know how to cross. Wait lang.
With my own mother.
Oh my gosh, wait. You check, ha? Come on. Tara. Oh my gosh. Tara. Oh. Oh. So ngayon, papasok kami dito sa may palengke. May palengke, papasok tayo.
Why did you have blonde color here?
Because she have something albinism like that. So, ayan, ganito yung itsura ng ano, palengkes namin
And
dito.
she had blue eyes.
Ha?
And she had blue
Yeah,
eyes.
maybe she's American something. So, bibili
And why
tayo
she's
ng,
speaking Malayalam?
I don't know. So, bibili tayo ng, we're going to buy air tightening clay and clay.
Mommy, can you
Para-
make a crochet?
No need crochet now.
Please. Say it for her.
Oh, here first.
So, okay. After that, we're gonna make crochet. Oh, do we buy a technical here?
Wait. Here, we're going to buy here. First, hala, you need to remove your slipper. Okay, sige, you tell. Oh my gosh. Ito ba rin yung chinelas? You tell. Chata, air tightening clay.
Air tightening clay.
What else you gonna buy?
Color paper.
Okay. You buy. What?
They said that there is 100 color sheet.
No need 100. No need. What is that? Color pin? One pack.
Also glue to stick. To
Yeah.
stick and cardboard.
Yeah. Okay. Chingu, you need to remove your slipper. Yung ano ko pala, yung
Which color?
kumakausap sa kanila. I guess, magkano like that?
Red and white.
10 pieces in 10 color.
10 color. How much like that? 100. You don't need that much plenty. You say you don't need that much
Not
plenty.
that 10.
You want 10 like that?
10 എവിടെ കമ്മിട്ടേ
No, you say you say you don't have little like that. No, they don't have. It's okay, no
should be
need na lang.
packet. Blue.
Blue na lang. Ay nako, hindi ko maintindihan. Ay, blue ka na. Chingu, I guess they cannot sell the loose one. You need to. Yeah, it's okay, no problem.
വീട് എവിടെയാ? വടക്കാഞ്ചേരി റോട്ടിലെ മെയിൻ റോഡിൽ നിന്ന് പോകണം, അങ്ങോട്ട് പോകണം, വലത്തോട്ട് പോകണം. അപ്പോൾ പള്ളിയുടെ അവിടേക്ക് പോകണം.
എന്നമ്മ
അപ്പോൾ എത്ര കൊല്ലായി നീ ഇവിടെ വന്നിട്ട് എത്ര കൊല്ലായി? മലയാളം ഇങ്ങനെ പഠിക്കാത്ത അങ്ങനെയൊക്കെ ചോദിക്കുമ്പോൾ അത് ഉത്തരം പറയും. അപ്പോൾ മലയാളം ജനിച്ചത് എവിടെയാണ്? ഇതൊന്നും ചെയ്തിട്ട്
You say how much that Chingu?
അറിയാം
ആളെ കുട്ടിയുണ്ടാവും.
Her clip?
വെണ്ണുണ്ടോ?
Where? I
Manabay.
guess here.
കടമാറ്റി
Where's the hair tie? Tying
കടമാറ്റി നമ്മുടെ കട
up?
നമ്മുടെ മാർക്കറ്റോളിലേക്ക് അത് ഹോൾസെയിലാ.
No more here? No more?
Hey.
No wholesale?
പെണ്ണുണ്ടോ?
ഇങ്ങനത്തെ
മോൾക്കറിയാം?
Hindi. Arelia.
അറിയാം പക്ഷെ അമ്മയ്ക്ക്
Hindi, no. Arelia. Malayalam Samsariki Koritsu. Where? You ask, they also have hair clips like that.
ക്ലിപ്പ് ഉണ്ടാ
Illa.
फुल पैकेट लेना पड़ेगा फुल पैकेट
ഇതെന്താ if it's something എന്താ പറ്റിയത്
You want black or white?
I want something like
This only with like
പഠിക്കാം
something mommy dress
here. Cheta UB grill. UB
grill
UB grill. Yeah, there. Guruvayo Road. Ah.
eat with the phone
We'll go back to the Kunamkula. We will buy something.
mommy
Hmm?
I have to do my assignment
Yeah.
when we're coming to work
Hindi ako sanay kumain pagka mabili ngayon na sanay na ako. Yan. Yan na yung order natin. Shawarma plate. Isa lang yung in-order ko kasi ayaw niyang kumain. Ayaw niya kumain kasi kumain na daw siya sa bahay. Hindi ako kumain sa bahay kasi ayaw ko magugas. You gonna eat? Huh?
Can I wash my hands?
Okay.
Because I touched these things.
Wait.
Sorry.
Oh, tara. Oh, we will go and see.
No need to post.
Why?
We'll take photo. After that, when we're coming again, we're gonna buy it.
Put your umbrella there in that side. There, oh. This. So now we're here in the fruit shop. So that's what only you want, Chingo? So ayan, bumili din kami ng ganito. Prutas and then grapes. What else you want? Chingo? That's enough, right? Huh? That's enough, Chingo? Persimmon, no?
Ito.
Like a orange?
Orange. Hindi.
No, not yet.
Hindi.
This is dates.
Kasi.
Dates.
Man, lamagra.
Little bitter.
No full sweet. Man.
Huh? After, because we cannot finish all.
ഇതൊക്കെ കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് ഈ
മതി.
Thank you, Chita. Thank you. Nani, Nani.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay.
Di ba kayo na ang pauwi ng bahay? Busog na ako kakain ng prutas. Kanina niya pa ako binibigyan. Hindi lang nabili yan.